Hi, this is Busy Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to find and save Word document. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. Ever had your computer crash while you were working on the Word document or accidentally close your document before you save it? We get it. We have all been there. Despite the panic you may feel at losing hours worth of work, there are ways you can recover your document. And in this video, I will show you how to do it. It's very simple. So first, you can just open your Word, Microsoft Word. Now for the example, I will just create this document. This is the unsaved document. So let's close this document without save it. Now, don't panic. You can just open your Microsoft Word again and you can find your unsaved or deleted Word document in here. You can open the blank document, click on File, click on Info. There's an option Manage Document. You can just click on here and you'll find there's an option Recover Unsaved Document. You can just click on that. So here's all the unsaved document on your Word. You can find it in here and you can recover it. You can choose on the document that you want to recover, maybe this one, and you can just open it. So here's your unsaved document. You can recover it. It's so simple, right? Don't forget to save it before you close your Word. And that's it. How to find deleted or unsaved Word document. So simple, right? Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.